Hi friend, welcome back our YouTube channel, and today we are introduce ourselves. How to introduce yourself? So friends, we are learn here English as well as introduction. How to give your introduction? So friends, here my friends Hari Om, and he will be give your self introduction. So friends, first of all, good morning.
Good morning.
How
to
are
you?
you?
My name. I am fine.
So okay, so you are here because good opportunity for speaking here. Okay, so first of all, tell me about yourself. Some people when introduce yourself, but many most mistake. So how to introduce yourself? So introduce first of all yourself. Okay.
Thanks for giving opportunity. And my friends, my name is Hariom Ahirwar. I am from India, and as far as my family is consultation, I am eldest one. My mother is a housewife, and my father is farmer. And I have a big sister. And as far as my qualification concerned about that, I have passed 10th and 12th from 2020 from MP Board Bhopal, and I have passed 12th 2022 from MP Board Bhopal, and as I am current doing BTech from RGP Bhopal, branch of Computer Science Engineering. Thanks for about
okay. So Hariom, you have completed your 12th in MP Board. Okay.
Yeah.
So how many marks you gain in 12th?
Yes, I have 12th. I have achieved 75.2% marks, and this is and schemes of government of achieved laptops schemes for eligible. This my experience will be 12th. Is very smooth and so very comfortable.
Okay.
I feel this is.
So you are which stream? Science, math, bio, commerce? Which stream?
Is my stream is mathematics, and biology is the additional subject of this my streams, and after 12th pass out, this fair current doing BTech from Troba Group of Institute from Engineering in Bhopal.
Okay, so Hariom, you are learning, you are reached in college. Okay.
Yeah.
So how many types of face for learning English? How to speak conversation peoples? Because you are government school, you completed your 12th. So you are giving because of your technical students. So how many types of face problem for English?
Yeah. So major problem is my background. Which, as far as background.
Why are you learning English? Because of some people, some student don't know about how to speak, how to conversation each other, how to handle client when will do job them. So why are you learning English? Which type problem face?
Yes, sir. Yes, I want learning in English. The main reason of my placement for these foreign companies like MNCs and software companies. Main purpose English spoken which this for company skill. Company skill for like this is group discussion and HR rounds and TR rounds. For like this 3 rounds and 4 rounds and 5 rounds are these rounds which is compulsory for every candidates. For you should every student should be spoken learning English.
So Hariom, you are learning here English. So when you reach the college, so many more problem you face. Okay. So
yeah.
That's why you are learning English. So which type you want to do job?
Yes, I want should be to software engineer.
Okay, you want to become software engineer.
Yes.
Okay, and that's all about good, very fantastic.
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you. So friends, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें एंड कमेंट करें. ओके,
थैंक